What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Here's one for you. Look at this. Here's a toast to a good life. Now that's a motto. It's what you would put in a box. Let's unbox this toaster from Professional Series and let's see what makes a difference between this and a normal toaster. Apparently this is like a very nice toaster, top of the line or something. It has a lot of features. I mean, I thought you just put bread on a toast, you push down the thing and it comes out. I don't know, it was recommended. It's nice. It has a little bit of a price to it. Not that expensive, but let's look at this box right here. Let's take it out. The struggle is real all the time with this thing, but here we go. Let's take this out. Got a lot of protection here while they have it for shipping and handling.
Oh, Tech Tricks, you got married.
Let's take that out. Let's take this plastic out. There's some cardboard inside as well to protect the inside. Throw that out. Throw that out. We don't need that. We don't need that. Look at this. Take it out. Take that out. Throw that out. Yes. There we go. It's a name there. Professional Series. Very nice toaster. There's a sticker here. So it reminds you of here's a toast to a good life. Make sure your day is starting out right. White slots. So a lot of buttons. Sure, it lights up as you press on it. There's a 1 to 5 or 1 to 6, I guess, for your how burnt you want your toast. And here we go. So let me just unravel this cord and we'll get to it. Let's do some wire management here for a second. I'm glad they include this on their toaster. I'm able to just clip it right down like that. And now it won't pinch it when you're using your toaster. Let's plug this cord in and let's get to toasting. Let's bring it down to level 3. Here we go. There's also this back part where the crumbs falls down. You can clean it, take it out once in a while. Very nice. Now let's get to toasting. I got my bread here from Country Harvest, Ancient Grains, because you know we want to eat healthy here. We want to promote healthy eating. Let's get our bread in our toaster. We don't want to use this butt part. Let's just throw that away. Let's grab another bread. Here we go. Push this thing down. And that's it.
A few moments later.
And here comes our toast. Beautiful. Gotta love a fresh toast in the morning. Well, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit the like button and comment below what you think of this toaster. If you recommend another toaster, let me know in the comments below. Peace.